Wipeout Plus, the new glyphosate from Farmoz, flattens weeds for good. Wipeout Plus from Farmoz, a new glyphosate. With kick.
Death in the dirt. Hectares of young weeds wiped out.
We know he's a pre-emergent who goes by the name of Trilogy Trifluralin. We know he carries out underground strikes on unsuspecting victims.
It's a chilling pattern, and the public's roots are frayed.
I can't sleep at night. I keep having nightmares about Trilogy.
Don't you see all this media coverage is what it wants? Get out! Get out!
Be on the lookout for Trilogy Trifluralin from Farmoz. Bad news for weeds.